Hey, what's up everyone? My name's Mo here, and I want to welcome you back to the channel. Today, we have episode number 2 of Mo Goes. For this video, we're in my cousin Oscar's FJ Cruiser. Yep, that's Oscar.
What's up, Big Cheese?
So this video really came by surprise. We didn't have any real agenda this day. We were just in Moreno Valley. We were doing some errands. We pulled up a map and found this little dirt road, and it looked like a good idea. The road was mainly just dirt. It was really easy. We saw lots of different cars on here. Looks like the locals just really use it as more of a shortcut. Okay, so I'm not the biggest fan of the FJ Cruisers, but you can't deny these shots. Just from editing this video, it started growing on me. Comment below, tell me what you think of the FJs. So once we finished taking some pictures of the car, we decided, why not just keep going on this trail and see where it takes us.
Bro, I can't like point it down because like see. Like a negative grade right now.
I know this seems like not much right here, but we were completely pointing down.
It's fine. Everything's fine.
Okay, so we very quickly figured out that this trail was going to be a little more than what we had bargained for. And since the sun was starting to set, we just decided to turn around and go right back up the hill we came down. It sounds easy, right? Well, now this is the hill we came down on. Looking at it from this side, you can really tell it was no joke.
Easier, but no, it has to be left is how it came down. Yeah. I have more trust in the left.
Okay, stop real quick. Look at that sunset. It's too bad that we were stuck right here. So we tried again. And again. Alright, so take 4, 5. Oh, did I mention that this FJ Cruiser's only 2-wheel drive? Great idea, you say. I know. So at this point, we figured we were not going to make it up that hill. So we had no other choice than to push through the trail. So from this point on, all the video that Oscar took was kind of just pointed all over the place. He was mainly focused on being my spotter than to get good footage, so I don't blame him. So we finally made it to the end of this trail, and of course, there's another hill. Now, I know it's not too crazy, but remember this is just a 2-wheel drive, and what you don't see is on the other side of this hill, it really just drops off. So you gotta go up the hill and make a quick right. So I only had one choice, and that was to floor it. Okay, wait. Did you actually see this though? Both of the front tires came completely off the ground. We were very thankful to be out of there, and since we had managed to turn a 15-minute trail into a few hours, I think we were at 2.5 at this point, we were just ready to go home. All right, so that does it for this one. Make sure you subscribe below so you don't miss the next one. I'll just give you a hint. We don't get stuck on that one, and we're actually in Utah. So we got some really cool footage. Hope you come back. And if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. We'll see you on the next one.